Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the developer console so you can enter commands directly, open settings, go to game, and set Enable Developer Console to yes. Once done, press the tilde to open it. This proves it works. Now bind a convenient key for quick toggling. For example, bind the F1 key. You do this so commands execute instantly in-game. Make sure the key does not conflict with existing binds. Now you'll create the Noclip bind inside the open console. Type bind F2 Noclip and press enter because F2 is easy to reach. Once bound, pressing F2 toggles Noclip in servers or local practice where SV cheats is enabled. If you want robust persistence, add the same line to auto-exec, CFG, and run host write config to store it. You do this so binds survive restarts, and because auto-exec runs automatically, making your workflow repeatable and reliable. Finally, enable cheats in local matches with SV cheats 1. Without this, the Noclip command won't work, so set it before testing. Once enabled, press your bind to enter Noclip and move through walls using standard movement keys. Remember flight speed scales with your movement. If it doesn't trigger, check for key conflicts, verify auto-exec, CFG formatting, and make sure the console accepted the bind. As a troubleshooting tip, restart the game or rebind to F3 if the first key remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.